My dear students, continuation of basic properties of amines. Here the examples we have to see based on chemical properties continuation. Under chemical properties, in the previous classes we observed basic nature. Therefore, these amines are reacted with acids to form salts. Acid plus base give a salt is a general concept you learned in your previous classes. Then take an example: CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. What is its name? N-propylamine or propane 1-amine. 1-propanamine. If it is reacted with HCl, what is the name of the product? This you have to do towards the examination after a lot of discussions happened in the previous class. Then answer is, this H is given to this NH2. NH2 becomes NH3 plus, this is counterbalanced by Cl minus ions, and this propyl group is carried like this: CH3, CH2, CH2. Yes. How is the name of the product? This is the question you have to answer. The name of the product is very simple: propyl. The group NH3 plus is a salt cationic part, and it is ammonium, and Cl as well it is named as chloride. Oh, this is a question based on basic properties of amines. Another question you have to complete. C6H5 and H2, what are the names? Either aniline, or to confuse the student, another name is also given which is looking new, that is benzenamine. The rare word benzenamine. This is a rare in usage. Aniline is frequently using in our discussions and books also. It is treated with HCl. What is the name of the product? How do you write? Yes, this benzene ring as usual carried. Then NH2 by taking proton from HCl becomes NH3 plus, and Cl is counterbalanced by Cl minus ions, and it is a salt. And this C6H5 NH3 plus is anilinium. IUM is the suffix indicating positive charge. Anilinium, the pot, and Cl is as usual named as anilinium chloride. These questions answered nicely, no problem. Now take another reaction already we prepared or interacted at the time of preparation. Methods. What is that one, dear students? Alkylation. Addition of alkyl group or substituting of alkyl group into the substance, introducing alkyl group into the substance is called alkylation. Explanation happened, that is Hoffman homoanalysis reaction we discussed. So details will not be given at this stage. Alkylation means, how do you understand this word? What is introducing? Asian is introducing which group? Alkyl group. That is introducing of alkyl group. That is the meaning. Not possible to ask the definition. What is the definition of alkylation? No. Just only understanding purpose it is given. Take an example. Yes, this is our favorite compound, which is previously mentioned, aniline. Aniline with excess of methyl iodide. Excess of methyl iodide. Name the products. This is a question we have to answer. Very easy to answer this question. How? Yes, this NH2 group hydrogen atoms are replaced by CH3 groups, and the first one is benzene as it is. NH2 becomes NH. In the place of one hydrogen, CH3 group is introduced by removal of HI from methyl iodide and H from aniline group. Then excess is plain means 1 mole of methyl iodide to be used. Here also one HI is removed, this hydrogen and this iodine removed, and what is resulted? This you have to concentrate. So without this step, you can also write the direct step last product. That is N. N carries already one CH3 group, one more CH3. So CH3 groups are 2 in number. This is CH3 and this is CH3 if you are interested. If you are a little bit lazy, you can also write CH3 taken twice, reduced form. And the name of the compound is asked in the examination. What is the name of the product formed when aniline treated with excess methyl iodide is a question available in your textbook. Answer is, as methyl groups present on N atom, they are 2 in number, N comma N. What are present? Methyl groups are present 2 in number. Name of CH3 is methyl. Is it clear? Then remaining part is aniline. Over. Yes, 1 more mole if you take means salt is formed, quaternary ammonium salt is formed. Better to stop at this stage, no problem at all. So this is about previously discussed the basic nature of amines. By donating electron pair from NH2 group or accepting proton from other compounds, so Bronsted bases as well as Lewis bases, these amines are. Then alkylation, introducing alkyl group into the compound. As alkyl group CH3 is introduced, if excess is taken, this is the product. By consuming 2 moles of methyl iodide, the final product is N-dimethyl aniline. Shall move to other chemical properties. Very simple, alkyl group is here introduced. Now we are going to introduce the group is RCOCl. What is this functional group? This is acyl chloride. Then R C double bond O C double bond O R, shortcut form R2, R CO twice O. What is the functional group present in this one? Anhydride, acid anhydride. Then RC double bond OR, RC double bond OR. What you are observed by using different colors, little bit risk is taken by me. Here RCO group is going to be introduced in amines. That reaction is known as acylation. The name of the reaction, chemical reaction, is acylation. Then that is simple one, introducing of or insertion of, introducing of which group? RC double bond O group is called, that is a lengthy information is called like that one writing. What are such acylating agents? Those acylating agents are these. acid chlorides, acid anhydrides, and esters. You take any one of the compounds treated with amines. Then come to the simple information, that is statement I would like to write. Primary and secondary amines react with acyl chloride, acid anhydride, or ester in the presence of strong base than aniline, strong base than amines, in the presence of strong base like pyridine, to give as this group RCO group is introduced on N atom, so therefore they are known as N-acyl compounds. This reaction is called acylation. Take examples one by one simply. So here, which amines are not participating in acylation reaction? That is, primary amine and secondary amines are participated, but tertiary amine is not participated. Reason will be taken very soon with the help of your cooperation. Equations we are going to take: C2H5NH2 plus CH3 C double bond O Cl. As what is required? A base is required. Already aniline is ethylamine is a base. Amines are bases. If you take a weak base, there is no use at all. That's why strong base than the parent compound or participated amine. Therefore, that is pyridine. In your book, only base is given, but pyridine. Then this hydrogen, this chlorine removed as HCl, and remaining portions intelligently to be joined. How do you join intelligently? I would like to write C2H5 is as it is. NH2 is modified as NH. In the place of one hydrogen, which group is participated? This bond is broken, and which type of reaction is taking place? CO minus C plus. First attacking is this NH2. This attacking is called nucleophilic addition reaction, followed by elimination, finally substitution. So they undergo overall nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. As take an intermediate state, that is, of course, NH2 as it is, and it is joined with C double bond O, CO minus. While these electrons are shifted and carbon becomes positive, oxygen becomes negative, this positive center is attracting this nucleophile, and you got this compound, that is CH3. And by donating electron pair, this NH2 nitrogen acquires positive charge. And Cl. Here what is observed? Here hydrogen, here chlorine, both are removed, and these electrons are regenerated. You will get immediately important compound, that is C2H5. NH2 becomes NH, and that CO becomes C double bond O and CH3. What is a simple method? Without this intermediate, what is observed? Yes, C2H5 NH2 becomes NH, and COCH3 group is S. What is the name of the product? Yes, this is taken as parent compound. This is taken as parent compound and name is intelligently given. On N atom C2H5 is present, so its name is N-ethyl, and this is ethanamide or acetamide. Acetamide is common name, ethanamide is IUPAC name. Acetamide, and other product is H and Cl, HCl. HCl is acidic and pyridine is base, and this acid, a product, is removed by this pyridine base and favors the reaction towards forward direction. As for JE orientation, what we have to write? What is the role of pyridine? Role of pyridine or a base. Role of pyridine or a base. Answer is remove HCl and favors forward reaction. Only for competitive point of view, this is useful. Only aliphatic amines, aromatic amines also be participated. Only primary amines, secondary amines also participated. We will take other examples which are given in our text. Next example is C2H5 taken twice NH. Still, what is present on N atom? H atom is present on N atom, then it is with acetyl chloride, that is CH3COCl. For our better understanding, CH3COCl. Why in this style? Convenience for our learning. This is to be removed, and you are writing a base is taken, that is pyridine. Then how do you write the product? This is taken twice, I am sorry. Then the answer is C2H5 taken twice N. H is removed with HCl and HCl is removed. This is removed by pyridine and favors the reaction, reversible reaction towards forward direction. Then this is joined with, first one is a C double bond O. First one is C double bond O, next CH3. Some students, regarding my experience, some students are joining in a different and wrong way. That wrong way is they are simply writing C2H5 taken twice N CH3CO. It is not right way of joining, but idea is correct, joining is not correct, so don't do like this. Plus HCl already over. How is the name of the compound? This is parent compound as amide, and ethyl group C2H5 present on N atom 2 times, so the name is N, N di. C2H5 name is ethyl, and come to the previous case, that is already here information is available, acetamide. Of course, acetamide is common name. In the place of acetamide, better to write ethanamide, then that is IUPAC name. So primary amine, secondary amines are participated due to presence of H atom on N atom, which are replaced by acyl group or acetyl group during the reactions. One more example regarding our textbook. This is a well-known compound, aniline. Recognition of compounds very important with proper name, correct name, otherwise difficult in learning organic chemistry. That is a problem in case of few students. That is aniline, if I am saying, you have to collect this structure. If this structure is given, you have to translate as aniline. This is with CH3 C double bond O, OCH3. What is the name? This is a big structure. You can also simplify this one. CH3CO taken twice O. Its name is acetic anhydride. Right. Which group is going to be introduced? As usual, H is removed from NH2 group, and this part is with H. What is this part? This part is CH3C double bond O. This part, black colored part with hydrogen H plus, and main part we have to write. This is not that much important in the examination competitive point of view. Therefore, I would like to write in this way: benzene ring NH2. You may write any one corner first group. NH2 becomes NH. And how do you join this group? Not like this, and it is joined as CO first, either showing bonds or simply CO, no problem at all. CO, CH3. Right. The name of the compound is, this is the parent compound, parent portion, and this is substituent. Substituent is C6H5 on N atom, so its name is N-phenyl. Remaining part is as usual, that is acetamide. This you have to practice. What is the last key point? The last key point is aliphatic, aromatic, primary, secondary amines are participated in acylation or acetylation reaction. Only one step is followed here. Only one further step is not followed. Why? Because this electrons withdrawing group, CO group, are unfavorable towards NH group. It makes NH unfavorable to participate second group like alkylation. Alkylation, two hydrogens on N atom simultaneously successfully removed, but here two hydrogens of primary amine not successfully removed by acyl groups or acetyl group, because that is due to electron withdrawing C double bond group to NH group makes unfavorable, that is resonance. This NH group participate in resonance with the C double bond group and less reactive. That is the reason will be collected for your better learning. Those points you have to collect. What are those points, dear students? Tertiary amines do not participate in acylation reaction. Why? Simple answer. What is the tertiary amine? That is R3NS. What is absent? That is hydrogen atom is absent due to absence of acidic hydrogen on N atom. This is a question, sometimes maybe 1 mark. Primary amines react with only 1 mole of acetyl chloride, but not second mole. Why? S will be collected in the same place. What is the reason, dear students? RC double bond O NHR. This is the product after one. Yes, this is electron withdrawing effect of C double bond O group make NH group unfavorable to follow second step due to resonance. Or acidic nature of hydrogen is decreased by resonance. Simple answer. Acidic nature of hydrogen decreased by resonance. Right, one more reaction to be taken to close this area and move to another chemical property. That is, just aniline reacts with a similar compound. Just aniline react with a similar compound, that is C6H5 C double bond O Cl. As what is its name? That is benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl, Cl is chloride. Benzoyl chloride. As in the presence of a base. What is the base? Previously we discussed pyridine. Then what is the product? Answer. Yes. Answer is benzene ring. NH2 becomes NH and this part is joined in this way, that is C double bond O C6H5. In the place of C6H5 you may draw as benzene ring, that is benzene ring, other structure, other style, NH C double bond O benzene ring. Both are same. Only I am exposing you towards different versions and information is same. The name of the compound is, and this is a parent compound. Its name is acetonylide and benzonylide with a C6H5 group. So its name is N-phenyl. And this group is called benzene and CONH2 is called benzonylide. Yes, name is not given in the text, only for JEE. JEE only. The name is, what is the name? The name is Schotten-Baumann. Schotten-Baumann reaction. Yes, it is not in PU. This is not for PU. Very, very important. What is for PU? What is for competitive? That you have to divide and prepare our answer.